Okay, so this video is about 3.5 adding and subtracting matrices along with scalar multiplication. So a matrix is a rectangular array of variables or constants in row or columns. The element is each value in the matrix. So for example, you could have a 2 by 2, which means it would have rows by columns. So you would have row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2, row 1, column 2, row 2, column 1, row 2, column 2. So that would have 4 elements because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So adding and subtracting, when adding and subtracting matrices, the dimensions must be exactly the same. Then add or subtract corresponding elements, it must be in the same location. Scalar multiplication, you multiply everything. Commutative property of addition for matrices, you will then add the values together. When you are adding or associative property, order doesn't matter as long as you group 2 at a time. So the first thing would be to add. I'm going to work with C and D. So if I'm adding spots, 5 and 2, negative 2, so 5 minus a minus 2 would be 7. 13 minus a negative 18 would be 13 plus 18, which would be 31. Negative 6 minus 8 would be a negative 14. 3 minus 2 would be 1. Negative 17 minus a minus 11 becomes negative 17 plus 11, which would be minus 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. Adding here, 8 plus 5, 13. Negative 5 plus negative 3, negative 8. 12 plus a negative 15, negative 3. 6 plus a negative 8, negative 2. Negative 7 plus negative 2, negative 9, 10 plus negative 6 would be a 4. When you look at these, your answers will be the exact same size of the matrices that you started with. So this is a 2 rows by 3 columns. So this is a 2 by 3. Excuse me, minus 2 by 3 again. So my answer is a 2 by 3. So scalar multiplication, you just take the numbers on the outside times everything on the inside. So this first one would be 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. 33, negative 30, 27, and 3 times 15 is 45. Do the same thing here. So on the second page of this, doing this multiplication, in order to do anything, they have to be the same dimension. So A, B, and C are all 2 by 2s. D is not a 2 by 2, so anything with D is impossible. So D and C cannot be done. So this is impossible, possible, or undefined, because you can't find any of their answers. So both of those can't be done. So this first one here, A, I'm going to do 4 times A, 4 times B minus 2 times A. So 4 times B would be 32 minus 4 minus 8. 4 times 7 is 28. And then I'm going to minus 2 times A, which is 12. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And after I've done this, then I would just do the subtraction. So 32 minus 12 is going to be 20. Negative 4 minus a minus 8 is going to be 4. Negative 8 minus 6, negative 14. 28 minus a negative 10 is going to be 38. And you would do the same thing here with this.